Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you guys how to change the combination on your Squire All Weather Proof combination lock. I mean, it's pretty simple, straight up forward. Mine's already set when you first buy this lock. All the numbers are at 0, 0, 0, 0. Has this little button right here in the bottom that you can push. Once you push, like mine right now, it's on lock. If I push it in and lock it, that black button right here pops back out. Pretty simple to set the combination. It has a little small screw right there. Just unscrew that, and pretty much you don't have to take it out. You can just unscrew it all the way to the top, and then once you have that unscrewed, you can set your combination lock at whatever combination you desire. So what you'll do is you'll hold this button down as your screw is loose. You pick your combination holding this button in, and then you tighten up that little screw right there, and it'll be okay. So right now mine's at 1115. It's the combination number I picked. Overall retail price about 28 to 30 bucks. It's pretty simple. I suggest getting one of these. They're real simple. You can buy them at Lowe's, Home Depot, Amazon, eBay, whatever you prefer. Overall, it's a great device.